Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best convection ovens of 2026 Best Kitchen Convection Oven Appliances. Whether you're baking fresh cookies, roasting meats, air-frying crispy snacks, toasting bread, or preparing complete family meals, a quality convection oven can make cooking faster, more even, and more efficient. Today's best convection ovens feature powerful convection fans, multiple cooking functions, precise temperature controls, spacious interiors, energy-efficient performance, digital controls, and easy-to-clean designs that make everyday cooking simple and enjoyable. From compact countertop ovens for small kitchens to premium multifunction appliances with advanced cooking technology, there's a perfect convection oven for every home chef. In this guide, we'll explore the best convection ovens available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's start cooking. Starting off with the Cuisinart Convection Oven, this versatile countertop appliance combines reliable performance with everyday convenience, making it an excellent choice for busy kitchens. Designed to handle a wide variety of cooking tasks, it allows users to bake, broil, toast, roast, and warm foods with consistent results thanks to its efficient convection fan system. The circulating hot air promotes even heat distribution, helping foods cook faster while producing beautifully browned surfaces and evenly baked interiors. Its spacious interior accommodates multiple slices of bread, casseroles, pizzas, and baking trays while maintaining a countertop-friendly footprint. Easy-to-use controls allow quick adjustments for temperature, cooking mode, and timer settings, making operation simple for beginners and experienced cooks alike. The durable construction and removable crumb tray simplify long-term maintenance, while the attractive stainless steel finish complements modern kitchens. Next up is the NewWave Bravo XL Pro Convection Oven, a premium multifunction countertop oven built for home cooks who want professional-level cooking performance. Featuring advanced convection technology, this oven circulates heat efficiently throughout its spacious interior to deliver fast, even cooking with excellent browning and crisping. Multiple cooking functions allow users to bake, roast, broil, toast, air fry, dehydrate, reheat, and more using a single appliance. The generous interior easily accommodates large pizzas, family-size casseroles, multiple baking trays, and whole poultry, making it ideal for larger households. Digital controls provide precise temperature adjustments and customizable cooking programs for improved accuracy across different recipes. The large viewing window allows convenient monitoring without opening the door, while removable accessories make cleanup easier after cooking. Moving on, the BLACK+DECKER 230-250 XSBD Convection Oven offers outstanding everyday value by combining multiple cooking functions with dependable performance in a practical countertop design. Equipped with convection cooking technology, it circulates hot air throughout the oven cavity to reduce cooking times while promoting even baking and roasting. The spacious interior provides room for large baking pans, frozen pizzas, casseroles, and multiple slices of toast, making it suitable for everyday family meals. Simple mechanical controls allow users to easily adjust cooking temperature, timer settings, and cooking functions without unnecessary complexity. Whether preparing baked desserts, roasted vegetables, toasted sandwiches, or quick weeknight dinners, this oven delivers reliable and consistent results. The removable crumb tray and easy access interior simplify cleaning after each use, while the sturdy construction supports long-term durability. Users appreciate its generous capacity, straightforward operation, and excellent value for the price. The Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven delivers premium cooking performance with an impressive combination of versatility, precision, and elegant design. Designed for serious home cooks, this countertop appliance features powerful convection heating that promotes faster cooking while producing evenly browned baked goods and perfectly roasted meals. Multiple cooking functions include baking, convection baking, broiling, toasting, roasting, pizza cooking, reheating, and warming, allowing users to prepare a wide variety of recipes using one appliance. Its spacious interior accommodates large baking dishes and several slices of bread simultaneously, making meal preparation more efficient for families. Intuitive control knobs and clearly marked settings simplify operation while offering precise cooking adjustments. Durable stainless steel construction enhances both appearance and longevity, while removable racks and crumb trays make maintenance quick and convenient. Finally, the NewWave Convection Oven earns the top spot as our favorite convection oven for 2026 thanks to its exceptional combination of advanced cooking technology, outstanding versatility, generous capacity, and consistent performance. Engineered to handle virtually every cooking task, this powerful countertop appliance supports baking, roasting, broiling, air frying, dehydrating, reheating, grilling, and toasting with remarkable efficiency. Its advanced convection system continuously circulates heated air to produce evenly cooked meals with crispy exteriors and tender interiors, while often reducing overall cooking time. The spacious interior accommodates family-sized meals, large pizzas, whole chickens, multiple baking trays, and a wide variety of cookware without occupying excessive countertop space. Precision digital controls allow users to customize cooking temperatures, time, and cooking programs with exceptional accuracy, making it suitable for everything from delicate pastries to hearty roasted dinners. All of these convection ovens offer excellent advantages depending on your cooking style and kitchen needs. The Cuisinart convection oven provides dependable everyday cooking performance. The NewWave Bravo XL Pro convection oven delivers premium multifunction versatility with advanced digital controls. The BLACK+DECKER 23250 XSBD convection oven offers exceptional value for everyday family cooking. The Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven combines premium construction with outstanding cooking consistency, while the NewWave Convection Oven stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its advanced convection technology, versatile cooking functions, spacious interior, and consistently excellent performance. When choosing a convection oven, it's important to consider interior capacity, convection performance, cooking functions, temperature accuracy, ease of cleaning, digital or manual controls, included accessories, energy efficiency, countertop footprint, and overall build quality. Investing in the right convection oven can improve cooking consistency, reduce preparation time, and make everyday meals easier and more enjoyable. That wraps up our top 5 best convection ovens of 2026, best kitchen convection oven appliances. Whether you're baking delicious desserts, roasting family dinners, preparing crispy air-fried snacks, or simply upgrading your kitchen, there's a perfect convection oven on this list for your cooking needs. Let us know in the comments which model you'd choose, or if you're already using one of these excellent convection ovens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy faster, more efficient cooking with the perfect convection oven.